Right guys, welcome back. This is Zaf's Productions. We've got an unboxing of the Apple Magic Keyboard 2. Gonna see how relevant it is in 2020. Let's just open it up. I did get this from John Lewis. It's quite crazy because I had to do click and collect, and yeah, it didn't have delivery options obviously because of the pandemic. Right, so that's the box there. Yeah, it looks quite good. I did actually review the Artec Bluetooth keyboard only a day or so ago. I just decided to get this just to see how good it is, because it's supposed to be the official keyboard that they use on the MacBooks. And funny thing is, I think it was released around the time they had the Butterfly keyboard. Yeah, so that was a interesting one. Right, I literally had to fight with the plastic wrapping just to get it off. So I'm not including that bit in the video. I don't know if there's a blooper reel, maybe I'll do it one day. Yeah, that's it there. Let's get this thing out. Oh, even the box feels premium. Oh, lightning to USB. I must have a million of these, but always good to add to the collection. Instruction manual that nobody reads. Okay, I'll have a look at you later. And there's the keyboard itself. So let's just take this, take this cover off. Wow, let's feel it. Oh yes, that, you know what, is exactly like the MacBook keyboard. Wow. Right, so apart from obviously having the same keyboard on the MacBooks, reason why this beats pretty much all the other keyboards out there is the fact it's Apple's own brand, obviously. It feels premium. It's got the row of function keys right at the top. And obviously they should work. It's such a shame for this price as well that this thing wasn't backlit. But then again, that'd probably kill a bit more battery. It's got the lightning charging port there. There's an on-off switch, I believe, just there, which is similar fashion to the Magic Mouse 2. Right, so I'm going to connect this thing up and let's see how it does. Is that it shows the battery literally just there, which is fantastic, and it seems to be fully charged as well. Let me just take a screenshot of that for later. So if I go into Pages, which is pretty much optimized, let's start some typing. And ooh, straight away when I put it on my, normally with the Artec keyboard I would actually put onto the case here, and it's magnetic and it'll end up just sticking to it, and I can type quite stably, but I can't seem to do that using this. So let me just get rid of that. Oh, this is better. To my, like the MacBook experience here, low key travel, doesn't cramp your fingers, and it's a lot bigger than the Artec one I was using, and I don't feel my fingers getting cramped or anything. Yeah, I can, even with random typing, that feels really good. Yeah, definitely. In terms of battery life as well, it's supposed to be a lot longer, which is great as well. I have just gone back to the Artec one, which is the cheapest one on Amazon. Let me just try typing. Yeah, straight away I'm feeling a bit of cramp in my fingers. Typing experience is nowhere near as good as this, obviously, but it still is quite doable. I think I'd be more confident just shoving this in a bag somewhere and just traveling, purely because if it breaks, it's just so cheap. Whereas this one is, I sort of want to be a bit more careful, but I mean, if you look at the sizes there, see if I can get that on camera. Magic Keyboard's a lot bigger. Just more comfortable to type on, such a pleasurable experience. I mean, if I go back to the Artec one and just try a few more sort of random keystrokes, and sometimes I find myself hitting more than one key at the same time because my hands are so big. Then obviously the battery life is a bit more shocking than this one. Just want to test the function keys as well. Yeah, brightness there, volume there. Oh, brings up the on-screen keyboard as well, and oh, FN button. Brings up the emoji list. I don't know if that's a thing on Macs. Right, that was my review for the Apple Magic Keyboard 2. Please like, please subscribe as well. It will really help the channel grow. We're in the early stages, just a handful of subscribers. Comment below as well. Any feedback for improvement is definitely welcome. And yeah, stay safe.